In today's video, we are going to be unboxing one of our customer favorites, the 220 volt 3 horsepower EcoSteady booster pump. This is a versatile, high pressure booster pump that can handle up to 70 psi and 50 gallons per minute. Perfect for homes, farms, ranches, and irrigation. Now, we know that every project varies on a case-by-case basis, so if you need a little guidance or some help finding the perfect fit, we have a fully US-based team here at our California office who are ready to help you find the right fit for your home, farm, or ranch. We ship nationwide and we're open from Monday through Friday, and you can find our contact information in the description box. Now, our EcoSteady booster pumps come in 4 different horsepowers: the half horse, the 1 horse, the 2 horse, and the 3 horse. The 3 horsepower is the one we'll be unboxing today. For the 3 horsepower, you're going to be receiving 3 different parts. First things that you'll be seeing in this box are some accessories, including our Teflon tape to help with waterproof pipe threading. And another thing you'll receive is our stainless steel T with built-in check valve, which you'll be attaching to the top of your 3 horsepower booster pump. And the next thing you'll find is going to be the 5-gallon pressure tank, which will be attaching to the top of your 3 horsepower booster pump. And then of course the last thing you'll find is the 3 horsepower booster pump itself. And I almost forgot, the most important thing you'll be receiving in each and every box is an instruction manual that'll show you the entire process of how to get this set up from unboxing to the full installation. Now, this is going to have everything in here that you'll need, such as specs, setup, and of course troubleshooting solutions. Now, the main body of the booster pump comes pre-assembled, making installation quick and easy. The main installation being plumbing your pressure tank and connecting the system to your water. Now, we're not going to plumb the system to the pressure tank just yet, but if you have all your parts assembled, this 3 horsepower booster pump will be weighing 52 pounds. Now, this is heavier compared to our other models, such as the 2 horsepower EcoSteady booster pump, but thanks to its sturdy base and balanced design, it remains easy to install. Now, let's start going over what the 3 horsepower booster pump is made of. You have here the stainless steel intake, stainless steel hardware, and coated cast iron body. All of our EcoSteady booster pumps are super water and rust resistant, and it can be left outside. However, if you do leave it outside, we highly recommend some form of cover, housing, or structure to keep over it. Now for the exciting part. Let's dive straight into the features of this booster pump. This here is the stainless steel intake area. It's made of a heavy-duty stainless steel that is corrosion resistant and extends long-term performance. And you can see at the top here we have our threaded outlet. This outlet is where you'll be connecting your stainless steel T2 and then your pressure tank. And this right over here is going to be the inlet for your pipe. It is also threaded, and this is where the water is going to be flowing into and getting pressurized by the system. And then right above your inlet here, you'll have your priming screw. This is what you'll be wanting to unscrew to prime your system before installation. As I mentioned before, this is going to be your 1.5-inch outlet for the pump, which you'll be wanting to attach your stainless steel T here with built-in check valve. Once that goes on, you'll be attaching your pressure tank to the top here, and then your pressurized water will be flowing from the side here. Then this right over here is going to be your 5-gallon pressure tank, which we'll be wanting to attach to the top of the T. This will help prevent water hammer in your system, as well as assist you with soft start and soft stop. And this pressure tank is going to come with this little piece on the bottom here that you're just going to want to pop right on off. And then get it to the T here. And you're just going to screw it right on in. All of our booster pump systems here at RPS come with a variable frequency drive. This is what's going to help with your soft start and soft stop, as well as minimizing the intake voltage required to operate the system. All this just means that there's going to be less stress on the electronics, which is going to help the pump live a little longer. This is a new technology that everyone should be using, unlike the older models which shudder and shake every time it turns on due to the heavy amp draw. Now, inside of this stainless steel intake, you'll have stainless steel impellers that are going to help create thrust and pressure for your home, cattle, or garden. Now let's move on to the main body of the pump. Right here, you're going to see your electronic readout. Now right here, you're going to see your PSI in bars as well as your timer settings. Super easy to work with, adjust, and navigate through. Here you're going to find your on and off button and your plus and minus button for increasing and decreasing your PSI. So if you want to increase the pressure in your system, give this a few clicks and you'll be good. Over here, you're going to find your mode button. This is going to be switching between boosting and timer mode. Boosting is going to be for your usual day-to-day use, and the timer mode is going to be for when you want to turn it off at a certain set of time. Now, after the mode button, let's talk about the toggle option. Going to here is going to be changing the various displays you see on here. This will show you different readings such as kilowatts, pressure, M's, and RPMs. Now, if you bring your eyes over here at the override and NA option as well as settings, these are mostly here so our support team can help you out. If you ever have any technical issues out there in the field, please give us a call and we'll be able to walk you through that process. Now, below the electronic portion here, you're going to have your 220 volt power outlet as well as your pressure sensor. Now, this is going to be 220 volt, minimum 16 amps, and you can take this off for a direct hard wire if you prefer. As far as the pressure sensor here, you're just going to be attaching it to your stainless steel T, and this is what's going to allow your booster pump system to know what PSI your water pipes are at so it can adjust as needed. Now, at the back end of our booster pump, we're going to have a housing for the cooling fan. This cooling fan helps to keep your booster pump from overheating during operation, which also extends the performance of your system. Once your pump is plumbed, primed, and powered on, you'll likely be surprised by how quiet it is. Operating at just 50 decibels, that's roughly the same amount of noise from a humming refrigerator or a quiet office space. This 3 horsepower booster pump ensures a peaceful environment, so it doesn't disturb you or the local wildlife. And last but not least, here at RPS Water Pumps, we prioritize high quality products, purposefully engineered by our pump specialists here. We understand that reliable water is a necessity, and that's why with every purchase you will get lifetime access to our USA-based team to help answer any troubleshooting or technical questions. Plus, when you size your system with one of our engineers, you are backed by our water assurance guarantee. Our team is here to help you with any sizing, installing, and any troubleshooting you run into. We'll make sure that you have everything you need to keep your water flowing. And to ensure total peace of mind, we also offer our 30-day, no questions asked return policy, along with our 2-year warranty and rapid replacement program, which means we ship warranty parts straight to you from our USA facility if you ever need them. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions remaining, please leave them in the comments down below and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. If you're currently looking for a system, give us a call or use our instant sizing wizard in the link down below. This was Matt with RPS Water Pumps. See you next time.